Hello and welcome to Mrs. Brown's online classroom. Today we're going to look at modeling integer addition. The first thing that we want to talk about is the zero pair. That's one of our vocabulary words. One positive and one negative add together to make zero. So if I have $1 and I spend $1, I've got nothing. Okay. When we look at it with models, it would be saying I have one positive and one negative, and together that's going to form zero. So we circle it like that, and it shows that it's a zero pair. So they cancel each other out. Okay, and again, it's just like having $1 and spending $1. You got nothing left afterwards. Okay, so we're going to use that to look at how to deal with these addition problems with integers. So we'll start with the one that you're familiar with. I've got two positives plus three negatives. Can I make any zero pairs? Well, since they're all positive numbers, the answer is no. So I just add it up. I've got 5 positive, so it's just positive 5. Look at the second scenario. So I've got a -2 and a -3. So I've got 2 negatives and I've got 3 negatives, and I'm adding them together. Do I have any positive and negatives to cancel? No, because they're all the same thing. So that would equal -5. Okay, over here, I've got 2 negatives, and I've got 3 positives, and this is where it gets interesting because I have 2 different things. I have positives and negatives, so I want to make as many zero pairs as I can. So I'm looking for a positive and a negative that will cancel each other out. A positive and a negative that will cancel each other out. I'm left with one positive. And so the answer to this is just +1. It's like I have $3, I spend 2, and I'm left with 1. Okay. So on this one, I have 3 negatives plus 2 positives. So again, I've got positive and negatives. I'm going to make as many zero pairs as I can. So 1 positive, 1 negative makes 0. They cancel each other out. 1 positive and 1 negative makes 0. They cancel each other out. I'm left with 1 negative. And so that would just be -1. If I owe you $3, I pay you back 2, I still owe you $1. And that's how you model with integer addition. Hope this helps.